Hello and welcome to this tutorial for the Humap Content Management System. In this series, I will be showing you how to create and curate content on your Humap instance. This tutorial is for creating carousel items in the Content Management System. Carousel items appear at the bottom of your home and content pages if they have been switched on in those dashboards. To get to the CMS, you'll first need to log into your Humap admin account. You can do that by navigating to your instance home screen and adding /admin into the address bar and clicking enter. On the login screen, type your email address into this box and your password into this box. If you would like the browser to remember your details, click Remember Me and then click Login. Click Carousel Items in the menu to get to this page. Click New Carousel Item or Create One to continue. Name your carousel item in the title text box and describe it in the content text box. You can then add a URL, some button text, and an icon if you want to, but those are not compulsory. You can use the icon drop-down menu to indicate what type of content the carousel item is pointing your users towards. There are three options: pin, overlay, and collection. Select the one you would like on your carousel item. Next, upload your carousel item image by clicking Choose File, selecting the image you would like to upload, and pressing Enter or clicking Upload. You can then name the image in the text box below. When that's done, click Create Carousel Item. For your carousel to show up, you'll need to switch the feature on in the Pages dashboard. To do this, click Pages, click on the page you would like your carousel to show up on, and then click Yes on the Show Feature Carousel on Homepage option. Let's see how a carousel looks on the homepage. If you have any questions or suggestions about this video or feature, please feel free to get in touch with us at team@humap.me.